In the halls of Asgard, the realm of the Aesir, Odin, and Jord, eagerly await the birth of their son. Prophecies foretell Thor's destiny to be a powerful defender of Asgard. As thunderstorms rage, Thor enters the world with a mighty roar. Raised in the pastoral realm of Thrudheim, Thor's strength blossoms. A fateful encounter with the dwarven smiths unfolds, leading to the forging of Mjolnir, a weapon destined to become an extension of his might. To safeguard Mjolnir's power, Odin bestows upon it an enchantment, ensuring only the worthy can wield it. The forging is a momentous occasion, setting the stage for Thor's destiny. Thor's path diverges as he ventures into Jotunheim, the realm of frost giants. There, he confronts and defeats the menacing Jotnar, dispelling the threat to Asgard and marking his name as a force to be reckoned with. Thor's wanderlust takes him to Midgard, where he encounters the colossal serpent Jormungandr, one of the three children of the trickster god Loki. Jormungandr's most distinctive feature is its immense size, said to be so vast that it encircles Midgard, the realm of humans, biting its own tail. Their epic clash shapes the landscape, forging a connection between the god of thunder and the world of mortals. Loki, a sly and enigmatic figure, weaves a web of deceit that entangles Thor. The two are not brothers, yet their paths intersect, their destinies interwoven. Loki's machinations lead to challenges, testing the limits of Thor's strength and loyalty. Dark omens herald the coming of Ragnarok, a cosmic cataclysm. Fenrir, the monstrous wolf, emerges as a harbinger of chaos. The gods attempt to bind him, but the inevitability of fate looms over Asgard. Ragnarok arrives, a maelstrom of chaos consuming the 9 realms. Thor, standing against the cosmic tempest, faces adversaries old and new. The battle is fierce, and though Thor succumbs to Jormungandr's venom, his heroic stand shapes the rebirth of the world. In one lesser-known story, Thor dresses as the goddess Freya to retrieve his stolen hammer, Mjolnir, from the giant Thrym. This humorous tale highlights Thor's willingness to go to great lengths to reclaim his powerful weapon. In another story, Thor engages in a battle of wits with the knowledgeable dwarf Alvis. The encounter showcases Thor's cleverness and quick thinking in addition to his physical prowess. Thor is occasionally portrayed riding in a chariot pulled by 2 goats, Tangrisnir and Tanjoestr. These goats can be sacrificed and resurrected, providing sustenance for Thor during his travels. Thor's saga reverberates through the cosmos, transcending the realms of gods and men. The intricacies of his relationships, the untold tales of his solitude, and the mysteries that cloak his character add layers to the timeless allure of the god of thunder. As the cosmic tapestry is rewoven, Thor's legacy endures, an immortal echo in the vast expanse of Norse mythology.